Hi, welcome. We are glad to present our new iPhone application called iRoomies. With iRoomies, people sharing the same living space are now able to efficiently manage the different responsibilities, events, and bills coming up. We are going to show all the features which iRoomies provide. First of all, let's begin with one user launching the application for the first time. Here is giving to the user three possibilities. He can view the invitation sent to his mobile device, create an account, or read about the iRoomies application. Let's create an iRoomies account for the household. User needs to specify the name of the new iRoomies account. Let's speed up this part. The address, the creator name, which is his name, and a phone number. Notice that fields are marked with a red star, and if the user tries to save the account, a pop-up will occur. So let's enter the phone number and save the account. After creating the account, the user is automatically sent to the bill list. Let's go to the settings. Here the user can view the iRoomies account information, view the other iRoomies present in the household, and read about the application. Let's display the information about the account. The household info is displayed, and we can locate the address on the Google Map through geocoding. A green pin is displayed at this location. The user can also, through the account settings, invite new roommates to join the account, and we will see that later. Here is the bill part. User can view and update the status of outstanding bills. Now let's try to create a new bill. So this is a page showing up when we click on Add. There are many requiring information about the bill, like title, due date, repeat interval, and amount due. Now creating a bill like AT&T. Let's choose the repeat interval. We can choose daily, weekly, or monthly.
Yeah, that's it. That's enough.
And the bill amount, let's say $50. Then we pick an icon through many icons provided and add some description.
And immediately...
Now we click on Save.
Yeah.
We can see there is a label showing the amount every roommate in this household should pay. Now we have only one roommate, so it's just 50.
First view.
Let's create a new bill. Speed up the part, the due date, the repeat date, and the amount, and the icon. Let's go back to the lease view, and as we can see, the total amount has changed. The most conflict creating in a shared living space are responsibilities each user should perform, like dishwashing, cleaning, shopping, or even lettering duties. With iRoomies, roommates are able to create custom responsibility with a due date and repeat schedule. The most powerful part is while creating the responsibility, the user can assign one of the other roommates to this task, and it will be reminding with a local notification 24 hours before the due date if the duty has not been cleared. Leisure activities are also taken into account in iRoomies. With the Events section, roommates can easily organize, for instance, parties, dinners, barbecues. Compared to responsibilities, events occur only once. When a user creates a new event, he can create responsibilities affected to this particular event, like buying meat for a barbecue, for instance. So user will receive reminders from the responsibility required for the event. Let's assign a roomie, Jinru, save it, and go back to the event. You can see there is meat created to this event, and go back to the list of events, barbecue. When going to the settings, we saw previously that the user can consult the list of the roommates sharing the same iRoomies account. For now, we are the only one using the account. Under each roommate, the status information is displayed. It can be pending or accepted. iRoomies work on the invitation system. In order to join an existing account, a user has to be invited by one of the people already sharing the account. Let's try to send an invitation to a friend. User can choose roomies they want to invite from the contact list. The invitation will be directly sent to the device using XMPP technology. The iPhone user on the left launched the application for the first time or has never created an account before. So let's press the send button on the right iPhone. A notification pops up and tells the user to go to the invitation list, as you can see. The iRoomies account name is displayed for the invitation. By clicking on it, the user can view the information of the account and choose either to accept it or to ignore it. Once the user accepted the invitation, he becomes one of the roomies and can view all the bills, all the responsibilities, and all the events of the account. Now let's go back to the previous iPhone user. As you can see, the new user status has been changed to accepted. The new user can also create bills for the iRoomies account. So create a bill with a due date and an amount. The new bill has been created and the amount per person has changed since there are 2 people in the household. As you can see, the total is $200 and the amount per person is $100. The new user can also edit existing bills, for instance by changing the amount of the bill from 100 to 150. The new amount will automatically be updated on the bills list. The new user can also create responsibility and assign one of the roomies present in the household. Let's create a new responsibility, like dishwashing for instance, and set up a due date with an alert on and select one of the roomies. The new roomies has been assigned to these responsibilities and will be reminded. We previously talked about alerts reminding the different roommates for the payment of bills, the accomplishment of responsibilities, or for upcoming events. Let's see how it works with a bill for instance. When creating a new bill, as we said, a notification will pop up 24 hours before the due date. For this demonstration, the period has been set to several seconds after creating the bill. Once the notification has been displayed, a new badge number will appear on the top of the iRoomies icon. The user can either close it or view it directly in the application. For clearing the bill, he has to change the status. Back to the list, the status has been successfully modified. Thank you for watching this demonstration. We hope that you are now a little bit more familiar with iRoomies.